Get ready to discover the ultimate posture exercise that we swear by, and it's so simple you can even do it in a chair.
That's right, but we also have a bonus treatment at the end.
Before we get into the exercise, we're going to show you the 4 different muscle groups that can get tight with bad posture.
And not only muscle groups, but we're going to talk about some joints that can rust in just like a hinge and cause that posture to be permanent in a way. So we need to break away. If we look at the number of joints in the back, we've got facet joints at each vertebra, plus joints where the ribs connect up to the vertebrae itself. So there's a lot of movement going on there, but small movements, but it's very critical to have good posture. All right, so the first critical location that we want to talk about is comes from what I talked about recently is this area right here. It causes head forward posture and that hunchback. Mike, what else does it do?
It's going to tighten the muscles in your neck, which is the second group we're going to focus on. It also makes your pecs tight, being in a forward rounded posture. And the last muscle group is actually your abs or core muscles, because I'm constantly flexed over like this. So we need to stretch and open all these joints up to get them functioning properly.
Now we're going to get right into the stretch. And the reason why we feel it's the best stretch is because it covers all of the joints and the muscle groups that we talked about to get you into good posture. You do simply need a ball. Usually about this side, it's got to be a soft, squishy one. Or this side actually works really nicely too. It's whatever works best for you. If you don't have a ball, you could use a throw pillow, but it will not be as effective. So we're going to take the ball. We'll use a red one. This will probably be best for most people. And you'll place it behind your back, and Mike's going to go and cover more details on the stretch itself.
So the first thing we're going to do is straighten up our posture like this. What this is going to do is straighten the abdomen out. If you notice, I was slumped forward. My pelvis is now up. Good posture. Next thing to look at is the neck. In order not to have a forward neck still, which you can with the ball there, you want to perform a chin tuck. So bring your chin back in position. Now from here, to work on the pecs and even shoulders a little bit, you can bring your arms out to your side, and I'm hitting the mat right now, so I gotta scoot out. And you're going to bring them straight up, kind of like you're making a snow angel. If you don't have snow, I guess you're just making an angel. And you're gonna go up and down. Notice my hands are as back as far as I can comfortably get them. They're not forward like this. They're nice and back, so we're getting those pecs opened up, the abs opened up, the neck, and the ball's helping with the upper back.
That's right, and you'll notice as you do this, your breathing will all of a sudden you'll notice more volume of air getting in those lungs, just another bonus of good posture. That ball in the back, oh, I gotta get through the snow angel here. Now, you may find that you want to move the ball up or down depending on which joints are locked up back here. So you simply adjust it up, and sometimes a small ball gets more specific. If you have one really tight spot, you can go ahead and try that, Mike. What do you think of that, Mike?
Oh, yeah, that's different.
Yeah, it is. So it might be worth, if you don't have a ball, maybe the neighbor kids have one, or, you can take one for your grandchild or whatever. You can maybe order one.
Perhaps.
The last case scenario.
So it's good to try to perform 10 reps of bringing your arms up and down. Now, if you have a shoulder problem and you can't quite get one side up, you certainly can clasp your hands together and try to lift up this way as high as you comfortably can. Make sure to keep that shin tuck engaged the whole time.
And we could also just do the famous Bob Hallelujah stretch.
We could.
Yeah. Bob, do you concur? I like that one. Oh, and forward and back. All right, so in conclusion of that best stretch for posture, I'd like you to do that at least 3 times a day. 10 repetitions, maybe start out with 5 to 10 repetitions, and 3 times per day. And you'll notice improvement day by day with your posture and your breathing improving. Now, for the bonus treatment we mentioned earlier on, we're talking about actually using an assistive device as a massage gun that reciprocates, and it really can work well on the tight muscles that keep your shoulders forward and rounded. If we can loosen up and break up that muscle tightness, this will become much easier. So go ahead, Mike, talk about what you're doing.
So you can just massage on the pec major and minor muscles. Now typically when you're rounded forward like this, the tighter parts are going to be on the outside of the pec muscle. So you can just kind of massage in here. If you find any knots or tender areas, work around it first and then go into it. We have some pretty cushioned soft heads right now. You can pick whichever head feels best for you for massaging this area. And we would like to mention that these massage guns were ranked very high by Tech Radar and Women's Health.
I think they were rated #1, and they're excellent guns.
They're in the top 5.
They are Bob and Brad guns, of course. We don't sell anything but excellent products and quality. I did want to mention he has the air head, which is soft. You can use a round head, which can vary by going sideways or straight in. One big warning, you do not want to get under the armpit in here because you do have lymph nodes there. You don't want to massage lymph nodes. Stay in the front on the muscles. So this is you could do before your stretch, after your stretch, and you'll find it works great on other parts of the body, arms, legs, calf muscles.
If you'd like to check out more videos on how to not walk so hunched over, you can click the video link here, and we describe some different exercises or treatment options.
That's right.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists.